Hey everyone! In today's quick video, I'm going to clear up a common question. Can you download or watch Zeus on a PlayStation? And if not, how can you sign up and watch it on other devices? Let's get into it. First things first, Zeus is currently not available on PlayStation consoles. That means you won't find it in the PlayStation Store on PS4 or PS5. And there's no official app you can download for it, but don't worry, there are still plenty of ways to watch Zeus content on your TV or mobile device. Here's how to sign up. Open a browser on your phone, tablet, or computer, and go to the zeusnetwork.com. Once you're there, tap subscribe or sign up. Enter your email, choose a password, and select your plan. They usually offer a monthly or yearly subscription. After you create your account and add your payment info, you're good to go. Just head to the App Store on any of these devices. Search for Zeus Network, download the app, log in with your account, and start watching. If you really want to watch Zeus on your PlayStation, one workaround is to use the built-in browser. Go to the zeusnetwork.com, log in, and stream directly from the site. It's not as smooth as a native app, but it can work, and that's it. While PlayStation doesn't support the Zeus app yet, there are still tons of ways to watch your favorite Zeus shows on other platforms. If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more streaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.